Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make dye over ice overall shorts in the Muck. For these, we're just going to do a simple scrunch and then secure them with rubber bands. Once they're all secure with rubber bands, you'll want to place them inside a container that's similar in size. That way when all the ice melts, all of that liquid can surround the garment. Next, give a quick little sprinkle of soda ash and then add the ice. I'm sprinkling the dye on in a random pattern, and I'm using the pastel primary colors, the hot pink, bright yellow, and robin's egg blue, because as the ice melts, they're going to blend into their secondary colors, the orange, the green, and the purple. I don't want to get the brown, that's why I've omitted those colors. This is a picture of what it looked like after a couple of hours, and the colors looked really dark, and I sort of freaked out a little bit, but you have to trust the process. Trust the muck. Set it and forget it. So after the ice is melted, that's when you're going to start the timer, and you want to batch for at least 24 hours. So these ended up batching for about 36 hours. And now it's time for the rinse out. And you want to start by using cold water. That's going to rinse out any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric. And then gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here, it's going to go into the washing machine. I do a hot water cycle. Then I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol. Then I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft to bring softness back into the fabric. And I've also been adding a little bit of Downy just to make the fabric smell good, and it makes them really soft. Now that the water is running clear, I'm going to take them to the washing machine like I had mentioned before. But I want to talk about something. This is a question that often comes up. How many things can I put into the washing machine at one time? So I want to let you know that I wash many things together all at one time. So I might have 6 to 8 projects. They all go into the washing machine at the same time. As long as you've done a really good rinse out, they should be fine on the hot water cycle. When in doubt, you could put like colored things together. So let's say you have a lot of black and dark purples, and you have 3 or 4 of that kind, and then let's say a bunch of pastels. If you'd feel more comfortable, you can split those up into 2 separate loads. But I have had no problems washing all of it together. Like I said, as long as you get a good rinse out, you'll be fine. Here's our overalls after they've been washed and dried, and I think they turned out really cute. I was trying to get the pastel colors, and I think for the most part I achieved it. The hot pink is a little hot. I need to use a lighter pink next time, but we got some good color splits. I'm seeing the orange and the green. Not a lot of purple, maybe just a little bit here and there. But overall, I'm really happy with the way they turned out. What do you guys think? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.